What's up, friends? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos. All you have to do is ensure that you head over to youtube.com, and there are two ways how to actually go about doing this. One is to download other people's video, and the other option is if you have a YouTube channel that contains videos, you can download those videos as well. Now, I'm going to show you an option, for example, if you want to download someone's video. So I'm going to search for my Drew tutorial right here. Let's say I want to download a video from this channel. I can open up the channel. I can go to videos, for example, right here, and I can find the video that I want to download. So let's say I want to download this one here. I click on the video, and what you want to do now is look to the bottom. You'll find three dots here. You'll click on it and you'll be able to download the video. Now, the reason why you're not seeing download right here is because download videos, you will need YouTube Premium. And so once you have YouTube Premium, you'll have the option available to download the videos. And so without having YouTube Premium, you're not seeing the download icon to download the video. Once you do have YouTube Premium, you can go ahead and download the video. And I'll show you how you can actually get YouTube Premium. To get YouTube Premium, you want to expand the left side bar. And from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Explore and click on Show More. Once you click on Show More, you scroll down and here you find YouTube Premium. You click on YouTube Premium and you will be able to pay for a subscription to have YouTube Premium. As you can see right here, YouTube says that you'll have 2 months free trial, but then you'll have to pay the monthly fee, right? So go ahead and ensure that you register for YouTube Premium and you will be able to have the feature where you can download the videos. So this is a step to actually get the YouTube Premium once you're ready. Now, and that's how to actually download the video if you want to download someone's video, for example, from YouTube by ensure that you have YouTube Premium. Now, in case you have a channel, you want to ensure that you're on youtube.com, of course, homepage or wherever you are. Click your profile in the upper right. You will need to sign into your Google account, of course. So if you already signed into Google, all you have to do is click the profile in the upper right and go into YouTube Studio. If you're not yet signed in, you will just need to go ahead and click and log in, sign in. Ensure that you're under the correct account. If not, switch into the right account by clicking right there to where you have the accounts. So you'll have switch account, you'll click here and switch the account. But if it's on one account, just click the profile here, then click on YouTube Studio. You'll be able to see the videos that you have in your YouTube Studio or on your channel. And so once you click on content on the left side, once you sign into the YouTube Studio, you'll find the video. There's two ways how to actually download the video. One is by finding the video from the content section, click the three dots, and here you have download. You can hit download from here and download the video. I'm going to show you. When I hit download, it's going to download the video. Another way is to hover over the video itself and you will have the pencil icon. It's for details. You click on that and it allows you to edit the video as well. Once the video is published, I'm going to go ahead and let's say choose some things right here because this is in draft. Click on next. Click on next right here, click on next, and I'm going to make this video unlisted. Click on save. So once the video is already published, you can also download the video. All you have to do is click on the details right here. It's going to open up the details of the video. And now if you look towards the upper right, you'll find three dots. These three dots signify options. You click on it, and here's the option to download as well. You click on that, and you download the video. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and download YouTube videos on YouTube. You can do it by having YouTube Premium and you can download someone's video as I showed you previously. And I also show you how to get the YouTube Premium as well. So you can purchase a subscription here and you'll purchase your monthly subscription and you'll be able to do that. And the best thing is that YouTube also offers you to try it for 2 months for free when you register for it. And then you continue to pay for your subscription. And alternatively, if you have a channel, you can also download those videos from within your own YouTube studio. So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily download YouTube videos. Very easy and very simple.